my god. Where the hell? Where the hell? Are you there? Where's my damn makeup bag? Where is it? Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, showing me some love. I appreciate it. Basically, it doesn't seem like I'm rushing right now because technically the rushing was over at this point. But anyway, besides that, this is like a quick little 4 or 5, 3 little product. Get ready with me. 5 minute, 3 minute out the door. Gotta go see grandma. Gotta go meet mom at work. That's our video. So if you're interested in watching, keep on watching. Bye. Is this thing recording? Why are all my brushes dirty? Dirty, but they're for my face. What's up? How you guys doing? So basically, it's a gloomy day, and I just wanted to, of course, film my favorite type of video, which is a get ready with me video. I don't need any more bumps, so I'm not gonna waste them. This is the Smashbox primarizer, and I'm just gonna put that on my face. Oh yeah. All right. So the next thing I'm gonna do is buff out this new Becca Skin Love in Tan foundation with my BH114 brush. So far, oh my god, my throat. So far, I've really been loving this foundation. I love the way it looks. It's great. It doesn't move around your face all day. It doesn't get in my fine lines and wrinkles because I am old. I am old. Oh. Some of y'all may say this is natural, but that's what I like. I like pretty much natural sometimes. If I'm just running to the store or gonna go visit granny, I don't need all that coverage. I just want a little bit of a wake me up. You know what I'm saying? What is wrong with my eye? My eye! This damn dog. I'm gonna take a little bit of champagne pop. All over my cheeks. I'm just going to use a little bit of my NC40 Studio Fix powder just to kind of set my under eyes, because I forgot. You don't need to though. And kind of also give a little bit more coverage under there since I ain't using concealer. Right after that, I'm literally just going to take a little setting spray. And now I know what you guys are thinking. Oh my god, that video's done, that video's done. But you know what? It kind of is, because to be honest, TBH, this is a quick ass get ready with me. And I got people waiting. I gotta go. But I have a beautiful coverage, a beautiful sheen. Like, who is that? I gotta get more Fenty Gloss because I love Fenty Gloss. But heck yeah. If you guys have any video suggestions, any comments, just let me know. Anything at all. Thank you guys so much for liking. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And love you, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye.